Well, hello everyone. Hello. Today
Oh, very serious, okay.
we did something serious.
We kind of did. We did something educational today.
We did something we haven't done before, but it was a lot of fun. We went back in time. Is that corny? We went back in time, and it was incredible. Now, tell me what we did.
Today we're working on, or we did work on, or we're going to work on.
Whatever.
Welcome back to the channel, P-Money.
It feels good. It feels good to be back.
Today we did dinosaurs, so we have 2 of the Jurassic World Rebirth kits. I don't know how many they have in the Jurassic line, but we saw dinosaurs, and we were like, we can build model kit dinosaurs?
Yeah.
So immediately we were like, that sounds kind of cool. So we have 2. Peanut has the Spinosaurus?
I have the Spinosaurus.
And I think this is pronounced Titanosaurus.
Yeah.
So we saw these, and we were like, we have a lot of fun building things that are non-mechas on this channel as well.
Yes.
I feel like a lot of our videos end up being 30-minute sisters, 30-minute fantasy.
Yeah.
Things that aren't... We stream Gunpla twice a week, so whenever we see something non-Gunpla, we're like, we have to make a video about this. The people need to know.
I really like the variety that is, like, we're able to do. I like that we're able to do a little bit of everything. We get to try it out.
Yes.
You know?
So when we saw dinosaurs, we were like, okay, that sounds kind of cool. And these kits ended up being more of an experience than I think we originally bargained for.
It was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
I think we both thoroughly enjoyed it. I mean, there was a part at the end where I really did not like it.
Yes.
But the whole build experience for this, I really liked it. It was a lot of fun.
Yes. These are what the boxes look like, so that you do have the Jurassic World Rebirth right in the top corner.
To Jurassic Park.
I think there's figures of these as well. So
yeah.
these are actually model kits. Similar to the RG and the MG style Gunpla kits, you have a quote-unquote inner frame with these kits. And hear me out.
Skeleton!
Mine's up this way. You build the skeleton first, and then you put the outer skin on top of the skeleton.
Yeah. So you build this, then this. It's really cool.
It builds very similar to a 30-minute mission, 30-minute sister, 30-minute fantasy, but you're getting like the inner frame experience that you would for an RG or an MG, which is interesting.
Yeah, and the skeleton build, I wasn't sure what to expect. I don't love an RG frame. That's not a secret. I really liked the way the skeleton looked, that if you just wanted to leave the skeleton displayed, you can. It looks great. Mm-hmm. It's not like it's missing something. It's not like it'll be, I don't know, it's just preference.
I thought the skeleton was, before we started building, in my head, I'm like, this is so icky looking. I don't want to touch skeleton bones. But the build experience was really cool for the actual skeleton. I ended up enjoying it.
And then there were some pictures where you can have like some of the skeleton exposed and some of it covered. I think I would love to do that with the
like
one that I built.
Half?
Yeah, half and half. It was really cool.
It does show you in the instruction booklet as well. Also, look at these. This is the instruction booklet. It's a pamphlet.
It's so cute.
This is adorable. Are you kidding me? Peanut was like, if you went to Jurassic World, this is the pamphlet they would hand you.
Yeah,
and I'm like, you're so right.
And then there'd be a map
like
inside,
a map of the park.
And it'd be so, yeah.
It was kind of cute.
Yeah.
So it does show you the skeleton, what the skeleton looks like, as well as the build. There's also fun facts in here.
Yeah.
That you can go through and learn about your dinosaur?
Yeah, once you build the skeleton at the very bottom before you start putting on...
You get a little battle fact.
It's called battle facts, so hold on.
It's cute.
It's battle facts for Spinosaurus. These predators hunted both at sea and on land. They had powerful bodies, huge claws, razor-sharp teeth, and sail fins that grew 1.8 meters tall. And it's just fun fact.
And it shows you... These are like my Pokemon stats.
Yes.
I just have land, one of 3 terrains.
Yes, mine is land and sea for battle.
The booklets themselves are fun. There's more to it than just the instructions, which is really cute. You get the length and the height. You get some, like...
Yes.
Information. I think that's fun. It's more to the experience. These felt like very educational kits.
Yep.
And you're just building model kits.
Yeah.
Why did I pull this out? What did I want to show you guys about this?
I don't know.
I don't remember. But to Peanut's point, you can build the inner frame. The outer skin goes on top, and then you could do like one side with skin, one side with skeleton. You could have a mix and match.
Yeah, bits and pieces.
It does look really funny when you start putting the outer skin on top of the skeleton, because there was a point where I had just the neck and the head, and it looked like a finger puppet on top of the skeleton.
Yeah.
He's got a neck. This is disgusting.
It looks like a finger puppet. It was really goofy.
Peanut put the outer body of the torso on, and then there was little itty bitty skeleton legs sticking out. It's interesting how these attach on top of the skeletons, because it's not like a Gunpla. I hate that. I hate that.
He's got little legs. Look at his little legs. It's so funny.
So
they were
you just
so skinny. Yeah.
There's some funny moments as you're going through and building it.
It was overall very pleasant. We had fun. We had a good time.
We did. It comes with a little stand that you can put your model kit on when it's done. I haven't shown the dinosaurs yet. We're just showing all the bells and whistles.
Mine's blue because it's water, partially a water dinosaur.
Yeah, and you get like a little emblem that goes in there. Mine's of a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Is yours also a Tyrannosaurus Rex?
Yeah, it's the logo.
Loki's
it's the logo.
Cool. It is a very sticker heavy kit. If I could show you just the size of the sticker sheet, this has no stickers on it. This is how big the sticker sheet was for mine.
I threw mine out.
Peanut had 2 of these sticker sheets. It was
ridiculous.
And you'll understand when you see what hers looks like. She had 2 sheets of this. And the stickers are big because the dinosaur is big.
Yeah.
Hey, Little, what'd you think? Yes.
I think he liked the dinosaurs.
I think he liked the dinosaurs. There's only one more bell/whistle I want to show you guys before you can see the kit.
Okay.
And I have never, in our 4 years of building model kits, seen something like this in a box.
I think it's an incredible addition. And it should happen a lot more often than it does.
I wonder why these kids got it.
I don't know.
It's fun.
I think more kits should do this.
You get a backdrop for your model kit.
And it has a little stand so you can lock it, so you can put it on a table, put it in the stand. Oh my gosh. It's too realistic.
He's jumping into the picture.
It's like Blue's Clues.
Do you want to come sit?
I love this idea. I think it's great. You can't swim.
He's trying.
He's going. I think this is great.
Yeah, so you get like a full experience here. You get the stand and you get your little backdrop with your dinosaur on it. That's so cool. We've never gotten something like this.
I love it. I think
kind
that's
of
great.
Attach in the back. Peanut's got it, so it's like a triangle.
Yeah, it's super simple. You just
you
lock it in place.
Have display cases like ours, it's not the most space efficient.
I'm telling you, it's too real. He's like,
Little
what
has
is
some
this?
mixed feelings
What
about
is this
this
window?
Okay, come here.
Yeah, I mean, I think it might fit in ours, but it takes up a lot of space.
Yeah, and then you have all of our mecha in
the
scene with it.
Which could be cool. You know?
Could be cool. Ta-da!
Ta-da! Oh, he hates it.
He doesn't like the tail.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, you bent it. It is flexible.
Yeah.
Maybe if I put the head towards it.
Yeah. There we go. Oh.
Okay, you need to...
He doesn't like it.
The 30-second reveal before it was thrown out of frame.
Yeah. He just kind of balances, which is fine if you're just going to stand him and pose him, whatever. But yes, yours stands, but you're also on 4 legs, whereas mine's only on 2. So the stability is there for yours, I think. Mine is a little wibble wobbly when he sits. Anyways, this is the Spinosaurus. Mixed feelings. I loved the build. The stickers. Okay, so are we just gonna...
He decapitated him.
Loved the build experience. Love the everything about it, except for the stickers. The stickers ruined it for me. I'm gonna be very honest. The stickers, they're such large panels And yes, there's a lot of space to cover, but for me, it looks like they put so much effort into molding the body and molding the skin and the
do you
texture.
see all the texture?
Well, it's a
Not
little
really
dark
with
for me.
this. It's causing a problem.
All the texture.
Yeah, look at all that texture.
that they put into the body, and look at the wrinkles on yours.
Very elephant skinny.
Yes, it looks so good. And then the stickers on top, the panels are so big that it covers it up. And then it's a shiny overlay, and the sticker
if you put
quality.
it closer,
the sticker quality
it
is
looks
not
kind of
good.
saran wrappy.
Yeah, it's not good.
I don't have the same complaints about the Titanosaurus. I think the Titanosaurus looks... It's hard to tell that these are stickers from this distance.
I think yours looks great with the stickers. I think from a distance, mine you can still see what it looks like.
Weirdly, I think my stickers look a little bit more matte, but your guys' skin is also more crocodile-y, bumpy, so the stickers don't sit flat against yours.
They don't. And you can see the air and space underneath it, and I've tried using my nail and getting it into all of those crevices, and it just won't work, because there's too much texture almost.
We did have a recommendation from Chad that you could try to do a matte top coat on top of it to see if it takes away some of that shine.
Yeah. I don't know if it would, though. I think it would, honestly, if you wanted to keep, elevate this look and keep the pattern, trying to paint it yourself might be the play. And just using a cotton ball or a cotton swab and trying to dab on the lines, because it is a very spongy texture.
I think that would be a fun paint.
I think it would be a lot easier, and it would immediately make it look so much better.
I can't be bothered to paint, so I am more than happy with these stickers.
Yeah. Mine,
very nice.
I'm very not happy with it.
The plastic quality of these, very much like the 30-Minute Sisters, 30-Minute Fantasy, 30-Minute Missions, which you guys know we love them.
Yeah.
There isn't space between the runners and the pieces to double cut, so you are single cutting for these guys.
Yeah.
But again, the plastic quality doesn't really leave stress marks a whole lot that we experienced, so there was no problem single cutting this full kit.
Yeah, I single cut, and I only kind of buffed out a couple of spots that I noticed, but I just left him with a single cut. He was fine.
The only other thing that I want to mention about this kit that I thought was different, I'm trying to find an example in the booklet, but for when you're putting armor pieces on top of inner frames for RGMG style frames, it's very easy to tell how they fit together. There's normally pegs or things of that kind that stick together. With these, you kind of lay it on top of the piece. There's not always necessarily an insert where the bone attaches to the skin.
To lock it in place.
So you're kind of laying it on top of the bone and then putting the other piece on top to sandwich them in space.
Yeah.
But it's not very clear. You really do have to look at the vertebrae and see where it fits in. Yeah. They have some red lines to try and make it easy to see where things go. Mm-hmm. You just have to pay very close attention. I find with Gunpla, I can kind of just guess for the most part how things fit together. I had trouble guessing with this, so I really did have to look at the instructions.
Yeah.
It's a little bit more obvious with Peanut's kit, because now that it has the skin on it, you can hear it rattling inside.
Yeah, it's locked in place. Nothing is gonna fall off, but the skeleton didn't jiggle and wiggle.
It's just sitting inside the skin. It's not like attached super well to the skin. The skeleton clicks together perfectly.
Yes.
Like very sturdy.
Very easy to put together.
Yeah. It's not to say that this isn't sturdy, it just, the skin connects to the skeleton in a strange way.
Yeah. Yeah, it just kind of right on top of it.
Yeah, it's like a sock puppet. You just kind of like put it on. Mine doesn't rattle like Peanuts does.
Miraca.
Yeah, that's a weird to be playing it like this.
With a tail. Anyway, I still love him. I still love my dinosaur child. Even with the stickers, it's fine. But if I did it again, I would leave the stickers off and probably either just leave it the way it is or try to paint it. Because I think these stickers that are with this one specifically, because that one I think it looks good. It downgrades it in my opinion.
Now that they've now that they've started to do dinosaur kits, which makes sense, Jurassic World Rebirth, I get it. But now I want animal kits. I want like a tiger. I want a bear. Now that they've done this is for me. This is proof of concept that they can do mammals.
Yeah.
Or like sharks, aquatic.
Yeah.
I feel like this is a door. This is an open door where they can do a whole lot more now.
Yeah.
So I hope they do more. I hope that they explore more with non-mecha and non-waifu kits, because this is fun. This was a fun change of pace.
Yeah, I liked it. I liked it a lot. Yeah, I'd love to see what it would look like with like half a skull out.
Yeah, we felt very educational.
Yeah.
We felt very educated building these, so we did actually go to the Royal Ontario Museum.
Oh yes, play the clip.
So we went to the Royal Ontario Museum, the ROM, which is in Toronto, Ontario.
Yep.
Unfortunately, the dinosaur exhibit was closed, and we didn't realize until we got there.
Bummer.
So here's a sign saying that the Royal Ontario Museum is closed, and we can't go look at the dinosaurs. Very big bummer.
Yeah.
So as a consolidation prize, we went to the shark exhibit and went to go look at sharks.
Yeah, we looked at everything else, and it was a lot of fun. We had a good time.
Yes.
And we did get like a couple dinosaur skeletons in the room leading into
the main dinosaur space
exhibit, which was closed.
Yeah.
So we got some things, but not everything we wanted. Bummer.
That's what we get. We try to be smart. We try to bring knowledge to you guys. We were stopped. This is the best that we get.
This is it.
The battle facts in the brochure is all the knowledge we get for today.
Mom, can we go to the dinosaur exhibit? No, we have the dinosaur exhibit at home. This is the dinosaur exhibit at home. Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed. We had a lot of fun.
Thank you everybody for watching.
Oh, we didn't talk about articulation whatsoever. Sorry. The limbs do move for these guys.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
You can move the arms and the legs, the tail is movable, and the jaw is movable.
Yes.
In case you were wondering how figure-esque these are versus model kits, you can, I don't know how posable Manimals are to begin with, but you do have some...
I broke
some very subtle
jaw off.
Articulation. I think mine has more articulation than Peanuts does.
Yeah.
Look at, he's eating.
Alright. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.